Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today on my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my mini mom happy planner for the week of October the 22nd through the 28th. Get started here. So this is currently this week. Now we're going to go into next week. Okay. And I planned in my classic happy planner this week using a kit from Etsy. So I'll probably be using a little bit of those leftover stickers and probably some of my functional stickers, since you can't get too many stickers in the mini. So let's get started. I'll be using the dates and holidays sticker book to date it. Okay, thought of one more thing I wanted to add. This is from the Everyday Memories book. I'm going to put just this thankful sticker. No, I don't know. Let me see. Gotta think about that. Let me look at that, and then I'm going to decide if I want to keep that on there. But in the dates book, I forgot I need to flip to the October. These are the most helpful little things. That's the Paper Mate liquid, or I've also got the little Tombow ones. They're just so helpful. I think this font is too big. This one is from the Dates and Holidays book. This one, seasons change and so do we. Isn't that cute? Yeah, see, that seems like it's more appropriate size. So perfect. So yeah, I primarily just do function planning in this. So, or functional stickers. So I think it turned out pretty cute. Let's see what it looks like in here. Okay, so here is next week. And I will also do I use these little half sheets. If I was really picky, I could put some font. Let me think. I think I might. That's what I like to do. The top there. That way it just kind of ties in my stickers that I'm using. Can you guys plan? Does your desk just get really messy? Wowzy, my desk is like exploded. There we go. So there's my meals for the week. So I like to keep it on that, and then because I might need more space, then I like to do a brain dump. I don't know about you guys, but I am constantly, unless I get stuff written down, it just doesn't get done. So I need a quick place to jot down my thought. Wanted to add a few more functional stickers. Now I'm in the Mom mini book. I love these little icons in here. There's icons. It has, I bought 2 of these because I know I'm going to go through all these. Now I think I'm done. So, put this back in my planner. There we go. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to see some more. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.